What's up everyone, it's Mateo from Elvira Media here, and today we're going to be doing an initial video review of our film equipment, specifically the DJI OM number 4, which is the latest version of the gimbal coming from DJI. This was the first piece of equipment that we used and invested in for real paying clients. Again, if you watch any of our content initially, you'll know that the iPhone is what we started to create content for. Again, for paying clients, we use the same phones that we use to make calls to our parents, friends, and families as the ones that we do to record and edit. And what's beautiful about this tool right here is it's inexpensive for the most part. It's $150. You'll see here shortly how easy it is to put on, how to use it. But what this is great for is getting a lot of very still shots, almost like you have professional grade equipment if you're doing a lot of like swivels or follows or push or pulls. And this thing makes it extremely easy. And again, you don't need any additional supplementary expensive video equipment. You pretty much just need an iPhone, and that's pretty much all you need to get started. So thanks for checking this out, and let's dive into it. All right, so what I wanted to show you now is sort of like how this works, how you put it together and how you use it. So this is what it comes with. It comes pretty out of the box. So the top part here is for your phone. So this is how you sort of position your phone in these clips here. You wanna make sure that this is like level for the most part, and on top of it's magnetic. So we pretty much just have the DJI clip that goes on it just like this. Again, we have sort of like a folding arm here. So this allows you to take it in a portable manner, fold it up. And this is actually one of my favorite parts. It comes with like a tripod stand. So you actually just screw it in at the bottom here. And now your gimbal turns into sort of like a mini tripod that you can just set up on a table, position the camera to film, adjust it with the little knobs and dials here, and you're good to go. So again, for $150, you now turn your phone into something that's like literally multi-tooled capabilities here. So let's go ahead and power it up. So the first thing that you'll want to do is make sure that you put it in correctly. So if you look here closely, I need to make sure that I'm recording upwards, which means my camera is facing up, not below. And so I'll go ahead and slide it in here just like so. And you want to make sure that it's pretty level on the phone and kind of looking something like this here. The next thing you want to do is turn it on. When you initially buy this thing, you do need to pair it up via Bluetooth. But once that's good to go, as you could see here, may need some configuration to make sure that it's nice and level. But for the most part, it's pretty out of the box like this. So if we double tap the power button here, it actually turns into horizontal mode. If we do it again, it actually turns us back into the vertical mode. Another cool setting back here is in the front, this little knob and dial allows you to move your phone left, right, up, down, which is really interesting. For the most part, like it's not that complicated as long as you hook yourself up to the DJI Mimo app, which again, you'll have to connect your phone to the Bluetooth. But again, what I love about this tool is it just allows me to get these beautiful moving shots. I would not be able to hold this still on any other device, let alone my hands. And you saw how easy it was for me to just get this set up. And again, this is just a very powerful tool, especially if you're doing, Instagram Reels or any content for these mobile video platforms. Very, very ideal. And I just wanted to show you a little bit more about, how the footage looks. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I really love using this thing. I take it for personal vacation. I take it to every client meeting because it's just one of those tools where it's just super easy to set up, have as a B cam, or last minute impromptu shots from a client they want. For example, we were on set with one of our clients for a school district and they wanted like a moving shot of all these kids raising signs. And this was just super easy to hook up, get started, and get those like moving shots very easily. So such a powerful tool if you are starting your own agency or you are looking for some entry-level tools to turn your phone into a high piece of video content creation. Invest in one of these. It's $150 and I promise you it's one of the best investments that you'll make in your content creation careers. Again, it's the DJI Osmo 4. Bruno has the third version, which is similar, has a different way to put the phone on, but it is the same product for the most part. But again, check it out, DJI Osmo. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch y'all in the next one.